This brand is made in China and can be purchased through the manufacturer's Amazon store, but their warranty is not very good when compared to other brands. The brand uses R-410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R-32. The units use a single hose, which is not as energy efficient because conditioned air from the room is constantly being exhausted to the outside and has to be replaced and conditioned. They use a basic washable filter which does not do much to keep the cooling coil clean or to improve the air quality in the home. They do not use self-evaporating technology and so require periodic dumping of a condensate bucket. They have electronic controls with a remote, but it does not sense the room temperature. The PAC-WHT models are available in either 8,000 or 10,000 BTU capacity at a 50 decibel noise level, which is equivalent to a moderate rainfall. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy.